Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wings. Let's get it. You're gonna get a packet of, oh my, a packet of buffalo wings. You know you gotta wash and clean your chicken. So we're gonna do some water, salt, and some vinegar. And we're gonna let our chicken soak in that for about 15-20 minutes. Get it real nice and clean. Okay, rip that thing open real aggressive like that. Let it soak. And after you let it soak, you're gonna have to cut it. Okay, cut those little wingette things off. So cut it at the joint. Your knife should not be hacking through the bone. Cut it right through the joint. The knife's gonna slide right through. Save these if you want to use it for like making some chicken broth. So now we're gonna pat the wings dry. It has to be dry. You definitely don't want it to be wet. Let it be dry so the seasoning sticks on it. Okay. So we got it nice and dry. Okay. There we go. We're gonna get our seasonings. We're gonna start off with some chili powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and some red pepper. I don't even know what the hell I was doing. I just opened my pantry and I saw these seasonings and I was like, I think these would taste good on some wings. So I said, fuck it. So we're gonna season like real generously, okay? Like, look at it. Put all that seasoning on there. It's not too much, trust me. You're gonna mix it very well to like every piece of chicken has seasoning on it. Look at that. Every bite is gonna have flavor. Look at that. Flavor's everywhere. So I like my wings without the breading. I don't like breading. I don't know why. I just like the crispy skin. So we're gonna add a little bit of flour to keep the seasoning in. Okay. Look at it, real nice and pale, like winter time. And you're scratching your ankles with no lotion. That's what we want it to look like. We're gonna start off with our drumsticks because they take the longest to make. So we're gonna do these for 12 minutes. Look at it, just bubbling, rejoicing. So I check on it, they look good. Boom, done. Look at it, man, crispy. Pull these things out, look at that, look at it. I wish you could hear the noise of it cackling and cracking. So we're gonna do the flash now, 9 minutes. So I put a little extra seasoned salt on them after they're done. Do these for 9 minutes. When they start like the plump up and the bone starts to stick out, that's how you know they're almost done. But I do like a couple more minutes because I like my wings crispy. Oh man. And then we're gonna pour some of that Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce on it. Lightly toss it. I don't like my wings like drenched. I don't like them like drenched in the sauce. Keep it perfect just like that. So they're saucy and they're still crispy. Look at these things, man. Let me zoom in so y'all can see the glisten. Look at it. Oh my gosh. You take one bite and it's like you gotta check your teeth after you take a bite of one of these. So damn crispy. The meat's so juicy. Like, you don't have to go buy wings anymore from a restaurant. You can make them at home, man. That's a busted gut.